Here's a quick lesson on how to find that missing R in your 4-1 lesson. We know that I'm given two ordered pairs, x1, y1, x2, y2, and these two ordered pairs represent 2 points along a line for a given slope, and they gave us the slope. So we have enough information to find that missing R. What we're going to do is we're going to use the slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. As you can see, I already have almost all of the pieces to my puzzle. So what we're going to do is I'm going to substitute in for the m my 2, set that equal to, what is y2? y2 is 9, minus my y1, which is 3, all over my x2, which is 5, minus my r value, which is the missing x1. We can simplify the numerator. 2 is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6, all over 5 minus r. This should look familiar to material that we've done where we have used cross multiplication in order to solve the expression. So I'm going to take 2 times the quantity, 5 minus r, and set it equal to 6 times 1, which is 6. Distribute, so 10 minus 2r is equal to 6. I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides. Negative 2r is equal to negative 4. R is therefore equal to 2. So we know that this 2 value is the missing r. To prove that we're right, I can substitute him back into the expression and get 2 is equal to 9 minus 3 over 5 minus 2. Is 2 equal to, that's our question, 6 over 3, and we know that 2 is equal to 2, and therefore it checks.